Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully resolve if the Windows Resume Loader keyboard is not working properly. So if you're noticing your keyboard is not loading properly when you're on that screen when attempting to sign into the system, and you have to either continue with the system resume or delete restoration data and proceed to system boot menu. I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully resolve that issue. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. First thing I recommend doing would be if you have an external keyboard, try plugging it into a different USB port. So if you're plugging into even better, if you're using USB 2.0 port, I recommend switching into USB 3.0 if you have one on your computer. Something else you can try here as well, if you have a removable battery for your laptop or tablet, actually remove it from your device and then power down the laptop device entirely. Remove any peripheral devices connected and then press and hold the power button for about 20 seconds just to drain the capacitors. And then once you've done that, you can insert the battery back in and plug in your power cord as well as any peripheral devices. And then hopefully your computer will boot back up. So if you have a PS2 port on your laptop device, you might have an older computer possibly, you could try connecting into there and see if that resolves the problem as well. So a couple different options to take a look at. So pretty straightforward process, guys. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.